Welcome to Gabrovo. It is a teeny tiny town in Bulgaria. It is close to Sevlievo. Let's go.
Hey you, it's Lexi. Welcome to Gabrovo. Gabrovo is such a crazy town. It is internationally recognized as a center for humor and satire, and Gabrovici really are such a cool bunch of people who make a lot of fun about themselves and about their neighboring town, Sevlievo. The theater, which is named after the founder of the town, according to legend, his name is Racho, and he had a hornbeam next to his fireplace, which in Bulgarian is Gabr, and so you have the name Gabrovo.
Like how they went inside, but low, like the theater. You see? There's nothing to see.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh, there's nothing to see.
Ooh. This is a bit creepy actually.
Не, само да видиме.
There's a lot to do in Gabrovo. You've got some churches, you've got a planetarium, and loads of other things to see. So this is the statue of Racho, and behind him is Bulgaria's first secular school. Gabrovo is based along the Yankra River, so here it is, here is the river, and it runs the whole way down through the town, which is really important. Actually, a statue of Racho is in this river. So one of the names of this church, which I found super cool, is the Church of Assumption. I just think it's great, and I think it speaks a lot to the humor of the people of Gabrovo.
Yeah, we're a bit hungry now, so off to go get some food. And yeah, the sleepy town of Gabrovo. I like it. It's cute. It's also actually quite a pretty place so far. Like, it looks well taken care of. So I'm now in the restaurant. It is so cute. Honestly, I don't think. Wow, stuff you can find. I'm gonna go through some more doors. And up. I don't actually know if I'm allowed up here. Probably, right? It's like they took an old house, oh, cool, and turned it into a restaurant. So just had some lunch, and now we tried to go into this old house. It's called Dechkova's house, Dechkova Kashta. But unfortunately, as it turns out, there's a partial lockdown that's happening in Bulgaria today. So all the museums are closed.
The Dechkova's house is actually a really well-preserved house from the Renaissance period in Bulgaria, which was actually under the Ottoman rule. And walking down the street, you can see there are houses from that period of time and then houses from the more modern communist time. And it's really surreal walking into one of these places and seeing what it could have been like and what the architecture of Bulgaria could have been like. It's really stunning and it's really beautiful.
So this is actually an electricity box that has been painted like this. And I feel like you can see these all around Gabrovo. There was also a building that had like cats on top of it. I recently got a magnet from here, which was also of a cat. They really like cats here.
One of the jokes around Gabrovo is that they cut the tails of their cats off so they can let them out of the door and close it faster to not let out any heat. And that is also why the cat is the symbol of Gabrovo. Now, driving through, we saw this Viking ship, and it was just so cool. And there are so many metallic statues dotted around Gabrovo. I'm pretty sure it's to do with the Museum of Satire and Humour, but I'm not actually sure what they're supposed to signify. I tried to Google it, I tried to find out more about it, but there's nothing really obvious in English. So if anybody from Gabrovo knows what these statues are about, do let me know, because I think they're so cool. Honestly, the humour of the city of Gabrovo is everywhere, and it's beautiful and definitely deserves to be preserved.
I'm sorry, that just cracked me up so much. So look at these door handles.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get to see my videos every single week. If you're looking for more stuff to do in Bulgaria, check out my other videos on Sofia, Plovdiv, and Belograd.